Do you know the one simple step that could prevent a secondary crash when your car breaks down? This Factful Fridays edition explains how to ensure your safety when your vehicle breaks down. In this edition, we will explain simple steps to avoid secondary crash. First, recognize the emergency. Immediately switch on your hazard lights and move your vehicle safely to the furthest left side of the road. Second, apply the parking brake firmly and turn off the engine. Ensure everyone exits the vehicle on the side away from traffic, never into the road. Third, retrieve the warning triangle placed in the boot of your vehicle. Now, carefully remove the warning triangle from its cover. Open the reflective arms and ensure they lock securely to form the triangle shape. Unfold and lock the bottom stand. The base must be firm to prevent the triangle from being blown over. Place the warning triangle 50 to 100 meters behind your vehicle to alert approaching traffic. Make sure the reflective side of the triangle faces oncoming traffic. Once deployed, immediately move to the safest location, ideally behind a guardrail or barrier, and call for roadside assistance. When the issue is resolved, safely retrieve and fold the triangle before driving away. Always store it back in an accessible spot. For any maintenance or assistance, always visit a Maruti Suzuki Authorized workshop to ensure genuine parts and expert care. Always check your vehicle to ensure a valid warning triangle is present and easily accessible. Share this video to help others drive safer. Want us to cover a specific topic? Drop your suggestions in the comments and you might see it in the next episode of Factful Fridays. Stay protected, stay informed. See you next Friday.